Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to open a corrupted file in Microsoft Word. So first, open Word, then go to File, select Open, then go to Browse, then look for the corrupted file and select it, then click on the arrow next to Open and select Open and Repair. The second option is to go to File after opening the corrupted file. Then go to Info and select Manage Document. Then click on Recover Unsaved Documents. Here you have all the unsaved documents. Just select the document and click on Open. The third way is, let's close this window first, is to go to File Explorer or the location where you've saved your file. Then right click on the file and select Restore Previous Versions. Then select then select a previous version and click on OK or Open. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.